Granny Lynn. I'm 35 years old. So I started working with Sun Life in 2022. I'm a full-time public school teacher, Pacific Cross EZ, and of course, a Sun Life advisor. So back in 2016, so since full-time public school teacher ako, I'm looking for a part-time job kasi medyo maliit nga yung sahod naming mga teacher. So, mahilig din akong mag-submit na application sa Indeed, JobStreet, and then may na-receive akong email from Sun Life, and that came from Sir Nelson. Si Sir Nelson is the manager of Marie Curie sales team. So, nag-reply ako sa kanya, and then sinabi ko na I'm interested to join. And then we met, doon nag-start yung interview niya with me. And then na-amaze ako on how Sun Life gives, incentives to mga agents niya, kung paano magbigay si Sun Life ng financial freedom sa mga agents, and at the same time, yung training. So, parang mag-grow ka talaga with Sun Life. So, nag-decide ako na mag-join. Agad-agad, inayos ko yung aking mga requirements. And then, ayun, nag-start yung training ko with Sun Life. And dito na ako ngayon. So, marami akong nagawa, marami akong nabili, marami akong natupad because of Sun Life. Working with Sun Life, masasabi ko na masaya ako, especially with the people around me. Kasi yung mga tao doon very humble, despite na sobrang hot sila professional. Tapos talagang earning na so big. Napaka-humble nila, napaka-generous, lalo na yung mga managers namin, yung mga nakakatrabaho ko with Sun Life, like my co-advisors. They're willing to give me advices para mas makatulong sa work ko as Sun Life advisor. Working with Sun Life also gives me financial freedom kasi nga nakakatulong sa additional income ko. Nabibili ko yung mga bagay na before hindi ko siya nabibili. Nakakapag-travel ako with family na free because of Sun Life. I work 7 hours a day as a public school teacher. So may mga vacant time ako, and I make use of that to find prospects and clients. And then after class hours, ginagamit ko rin yung time na yon to schedule a meeting with my clients. Yes, kayang-kayang pagsabayin ang pagiging financial advisor and if may full-time job ka. Kasi ako nga, I work 7 hours a day, pero nakakaya ko, kinakaya ko. As a financial advisor, marami kang pwedeng makuhang benefits. Like, for example, every month, we have our ACES. Yun yung branch meeting namin wherein na nakakakuha kami ng wisdom and knowledge about what we offer. Mga insurance products, investment products. Okay, so we also have incentives from our managers if we serve our purpose as a financial advisor. So, may mga nakukuha kami incentives like free bags, mga perfumes, mga gamit na pwede naming gamitin as a financial advisor. So aside from income na coming from Sun Life. So maraming challenges as a Sun Life financial advisor. At the same time, you're also working full-time. One of the challenges siguro na masasabi ko is yung pagmamanage ng time ko in working with Sun Life and as a public school teacher. Pero yung time na yun, pag-set lang ako ng time working with Sun Life, like after class hours. Also, siguro masasabi ko na another challenge for me is yung sarili ko. Kasi may time talaga na parang tinatamad ka, may time na napapagod ka na, pero kailangan in this job as a financial advisor, you have to be consistent. Hanap ng client. So kung hindi sila umuo sa'yo, hayaan mo sila, marami pang dadating. Nung public teacher pa lang ako, so I get to interact with the students, with the children. So akala ko, yun lang yung kaya ko. So kaya ko lang humarap sa mga bata. But when I became a financial advisor, so marami akong na-meet, iba't ibang personalities, iba't ibang professional level. Ayun, kaya ko naman pala. So kaya ko naman palang turuan sila about financial literacy, about what Sun Life can offer. So ayun, na-conquer ko yun. So akala ko talaga hindi ko siya magagawa. Pero nagawa ko. So as a Sun Life financial advisor, basta masipag ka, possible na makukuha mo yung high income na gusto mong makuha. So like for me, ngayon, yung masasabi ko na invest na namin nung husband ko with my husband, from Sun Life is yung aming first car. Kung naghahanap ka pa rin ng rason para maging Sun Life Financial Advisor, so ang masasabi ko lang, matagal na akong financial advisor. So for 3 years, at the same time, full-time teacher. Pero yung naibibigay sa akin na Sun Life, pakalaking benefits, hindi lang sa akin, pero pati sa pamilya ko. I'm looking forward with the help of Sun Life na syempre mapagtatapos ko yung anak ko sa magandang eskwelahan. Makakapag-build kami ng husband ko ng sarili naming business. Makapag-travel kami sa iba't ibang lugar. At the same time, marami pa akong matulungan, masecure na family. Kasi hindi nila alam kung ano ang laking tulong ni Sun Life, hindi lang sa kanila, pati sa pamilya nila. Ako sigurado ako na kay Sun Life, talagang brighter life yung makikita natin. Kay Sun Life, mapupulfill mo yung mga pangarap mo para sa pamilya mo. And I hope maging parte ka ng mission na yon.